It's almost guaranteed that you've seen this type of YouTube short videos before, and you already know they get millions of views. And because of that, they're making thousands of dollars every single month. And what I want from you is to start creating YouTube channels right now and begin posting this exact type of content. But here's the big question. How are we going to create Stickman animations with this level of quality and creativity and actually stand out from everyone else on YouTube today? How do you reach millions of views monthly? Watch this video until the end, and I promise you, you'll be able to create better videos than all of them. Now, we're going to go through 3 simple stages to create this kind of amazing video. First, we'll create Stickman images. Then, we'll turn those images into videos. And finally, we'll add a professional voiceover. Now yes, normally these steps require multiple AI tools and different websites, but all of these features are available in one place. And that place is Higsfield, an all-in-one AI platform. It includes powerful tools for generating images using AI, converting text into professional voiceovers, and even creating videos using advanced AI characters and the latest technology. We've already explained a lot about this platform before, so you'll find the link down in the description below. Now, if we take a look at the top menu, you'll find some of the most advanced AI tools available today for generating images, and also cutting-edge tools for video creation, including turning images into videos. And that's not all. There are also tools for converting text into high-quality voiceovers, plus powerful AI editing tools for both videos and images. And honestly, there are many more features that we've already covered before. Now, if we want to create professional Stickman videos with this level of precision and even outperform what's currently on YouTube, we need to use a very advanced AI model. And here's the exciting part. The amazing Seedance 2 model has just been released on Higsfield, and it's now available. Well, available in most countries. It's currently not available in Japan and the United States, but it is available everywhere else. One of its best features is the ability to create incredibly cinematic scenes with action movie level quality and precision. You can literally create videos that match your imagination and even go beyond it. And what really makes it stand out from other AI models, Seedance 2.0 is an AI video tool that combines text, images, videos, and audio in one generation, letting you reference specific elements with tags for better control. It creates realistic motion, accurate physics, stable characters, and synchronized audio with lip sync in multiple languages. You can precisely edit scenes, extend clips, and generate professional-looking videos with cinematic camera movement, lighting, and storytelling. It supports 1080p, multiple aspect ratios, up to 15-second clips, and no watermark, making it ideal for short films, action and sports videos, commercials, social media content, and film pre-visualization. And of course, you'll find everything you need right in the description and the pinned comment below. Now, let's move quickly into creating professional Stickman animation videos with extreme precision. First, we're going to use ChatGPT to write the prompt for generating images, converting those images into videos, and even creating the voiceover for the video. I'll leave this prompt for you in the description below. All you have to do is copy it and give it to ChatGPT exactly like this, so it can generate a high-quality animation video idea for you. Trust me, this is going to feel super easy for you, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate all the prompts you need. Prompts for creating images, converting those images into videos, and even writing the full voiceover script for your video. Now, let's jump directly into the first stage of creating this video, which is generating the images. We'll go back to Higsfield, then head over to the image section. You'll find many powerful AI models for generating images, and for this example, I will choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Then, very simply, I'll paste the first prompt that ChatGPT gave me, and I'll select the aspect ratio as 9:16 because I want to create a YouTube short. Next, I'll choose the number of images I want to generate. I'll go with 4 images so I can pick the best one out of them. Then I'll click on Generate, and within seconds, you'll see 4 amazing images created instantly. Now all you have to do is choose one Stickman character image that you'll use as a reference for your future videos. Personally, I liked the second image, so I'll click on it, then I'll press the reference button so I can use this image as a base for generating the rest of my scenes. After that, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the first scene, paste it here, and generate the images using the same method. And here's the best part. You can go back to ChatGPT, grab the prompt for the second scene, paste it here, and generate multiple images at the same time on Higsfield. This is amazing because you don't have to wait for each image one by one. After generating all the images for the 5 scenes, all we need to do is select the best image for each scene. For me, I generated 4 images per scene, then picked 1 image from each scene, and downloaded them to my device. And just like that, we've completed the first step, which is creating the images. Now let's move directly to the second step, which is turning these images into videos. As we said, we need a powerful AI model, and that's Seedance 2 to get the best possible results. Also, ChatGPT already gave me prompts for converting these images into videos, so I'll go back to ChatGPT again and copy the prompt for the first scene. Then I'll return to Higsfield, go to the video section, and select Seedance 2, just like I told you. Now, very easily, I'll upload the image for the first scene by clicking on Upload Media. Then I'll paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated right here. If you want your video to include sound, just enable the audio option. Then we choose the video duration, and as you can see, Seedance 2 supports videos up to 15 seconds. For this example, I'll set it to 8 seconds. Also, we'll keep the aspect ratio at 9:16 because we're creating a YouTube short, and I'll leave the quality at 720. Finally, I'll click on Generate, and now let's watch the first scene created by Seedance 2 and see just how amazing the result is. Look at how amazing this video is. The quality, the precision. I'm honestly blown away by the result. And now you can finally create videos just like this. Creating each scene is super simple. We follow the same exact method. We select the image for the second scene right here, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second scene, paste it here, and click Generate. I'll go ahead and create all 5 scenes. And now, let's watch them together. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. All the results came out perfect from the very first try. Extremely accurate and clean. And I'm telling you, if you apply this exact method and start creating these types of videos, you can reach millions of views very quickly. Now, we only have one final step left, which is creating the voiceover for the video. And the best part, you can also do this directly inside Higsfield. It's truly an all-in-one platform. To create the voiceover, we'll go back to ChatGPT, and you'll see it has already written a voiceover for each scene. I'll take the voiceover for the first 5 scenes, Then head over to Higsfield and go to the audio section. Now, I'll choose the AI model for text-to-speech, and personally, I always prefer 11v3. Then I'll paste the text I want to convert into voice, and here you'll find many amazing voice options. Just test a few voices and choose the one that fits your video perfectly. After that, I'll click Generate. And now, let's test this voice.
You know that feeling when you have something important to do, but you just can't start? You sit there thinking about it, but instead you grab your phone, scroll for a while.
And as you can hear, the voice is amazing from the first try. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and create your own video right now. And don't forget to try the incredible Seedance too. It's now available on Higsfield. You now have everything you need to create powerful videos just like the one we made together. And now, let's take a look at the final result together.
You know that feeling when you have something important to do, but you just can't start? You sit there thinking about it, but instead you grab your phone, scroll for a while, and somehow feel even worse. But there's a simple trick that makes starting much easier. Tell yourself, I'll only do it for 5 minutes. Starting feels scary when you think about the whole task, but 5 minutes feels easy. So you begin, and after a few minutes, something changes. Your brain stops fighting you, and now you're finally focused.
I really hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.